Right, so as we see here, one of my anticipated difficulties was the throat circle. So the outline of the elevation of a hyperboloid of revolution is a hyperbola either side of the conjugate axis. When the conjugate axis is vertical, all horizontal sections are circles. The horizontal section at the midpoint of the conjugate axis is a throat circle. So what I found was I thought that a student may find it difficult to grasp the concept that the throat circle is the midway point which represents the peak of the hyperbola. So if I go over here where I created a GeoGebra model, we see that line A to B is our conjugate axis. So if I have a random skew line C to D with E as the midpoint. So if I click on E and I have show trace already selected, the same as the line, if I select points C and D together and turn on the animation, we create a hyperboloid of revolution. So the blue dot that's following the midpoint of the line around creates our throat circle. So if I just stop this, we see that a line horizontal is created in our elevation view. If we go to our plan view, we can see our throat circle, which is as far in as the skew line comes to create the hyperboloid. So, to go back to the anticipated difficulty, students may find it hard to grasp the concept that the throat circle is the midway point which represents the peak of the hyperboloid of revolution. So going back to the GeoGebra, we can see that our line, which is actually our throat circle, is the peak of the hyperbola from this point here to this point here. This shows us that the throat circle is in fact the midway point of the hyperbola, which the students might find it hard to grasp.